Listen to this meditation and they will love you forever. Welcome, my loves. I am sure that after this meditation, your specific person will be madly in love with you. There will be nothing in this world that will make them stop loving you. This meditation is not necessary to recite. Just listen to this as many times as you need to saturate it in your mind so that you fully know it is all true. Listen to this with faith and let the rest go. Now let's begin. They are bound to me. They fulfill all of my wishes. Their soul is bound to mine. I am their destiny. Thoughts of me are deeply penetrated in their mind right now. They are eternally bound to me. They are unable to ever leave me. They are unable to resist my love power. They desire me. They yearn for me. They feel an uncontrollable need to always be in my presence. They desire me with all of their soul. They plan to walk by my side for all of eternity. They have a burning impulse to seek me right now. They yearn for my company. They are blind to all other third parties. Their heart beats only for my love. Their thoughts and desires are completely dominated by me. They will think of me 70 times every second. They long for me like crazy. They speak my name with unwavering devotion. They are my constant source of affection, tenderness, and love. They have the burning desire to make love to me right now. Their life is intertwined with mine forever. They are dominated by my love. Right now, their heart is being flooded with a feeling of love that is so intense and overwhelming that they are running to be with me now. They give me their mind, body, and soul fully and wholeheartedly. They wish to be by my side forever. They are desperate for my love. They are desperate for my love. We share a life of love and eternal happiness. They love me like they have never loved anyone else before. They have a burning passion for me. They give themselves completely to our love. They have an urgency to seek my love right now. We are lovers united by destiny. They will always love me. They will always desire me. They are begging for me with all of their soul. Our union is strong and indestructible. Our love is so deep and true, and they will love me forever. And so it is. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, "They will love me forever" to affirm. Do this with great faith, and your loved one will return. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave your name in the comments so we can pray for you in your relationship. Also, check out my channel to find more powerful meditations like this. And if you would like to get your soulmate back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Over 50,000 people have used my spells and manifestations, and I have had crazy stuff manifest for them. There is some crazy energy and magic in my spells and manifestations, and people always come back for more. Click on your left to get one of my powerful love spells. or click on the right and listen to this next powerful meditation. Bye, my loves. I hope you have an amazing day.